I'm super excited to open this Nama J3. It is their new juicer that Nama came out with, and it is a more compact size. So it's great for travel or like a single use juice or a smaller kitchen. Maybe you don't have counter space, but I am super excited for it. I should show you the packaging itself. Ooh. Is all recyclable. There is zero plastic on it. Their handle right here is not even plastic. So Nama thinks of everything. They're an amazing company. Even though I'm an affiliate of them, they care about the planet, they care about their people, they care about, yes, they're just an amazing company. But yeah, they have all these cute little things, and I should read because it literally says start here. And so I'm gonna start here. These are my instructions, and then it will say the motor base, so I'm going to open that next. I have the J2 and I absolutely love it, but I am excited. As much as I juice every day, and I've been juicing for a little over 6 years now, I don't often juice when I travel. I just don't want to take the larger Nama with. So I'm super excited for this because I definitely plan on taking this with me when I travel to most places. These bags, amazing. And I do know I believe they're made out of bamboo, and I know they're machine washable. You just cannot dry them, so don't put them in the dryer. But, oh my gosh, it's so dang cute. I chose white this time because I have black everything else, and yes, it is adorable. I'm going to show you the difference in sizes. Okay, I'll do the chamber set. And again, more bags. I'm definitely going to save these bags to use when I am traveling. So I'm going to save these to put them in there. And I'm sure I'll probably use maybe like a thin towel or something else. Maybe put it in like a tote bag that fits perfect, or you could even roll it perfectly in a suitcase. How cute is this? Seriously, so cute. Yes! It doesn't have, I'm already noticing right here, it doesn't have like the hole that we have in the J2 juicer where you're putting produce in. It's definitely made differently. It's definitely compact and adorable. So great, again, for single person juicing, travel, or small kitchen. Or like a college dorm room or something like that. Ooh, I like the canister. And it has a cover. It is, the ounces are labeled up to 40 ounces here. I really like this. So this is where the juice is going on one side. And this is the pulp bin right here. Love. And if for some reason you did want to store your juice in the fridge quickly, this cover is for that. What other goodies do I have? The strainer. I personally like to strain my juice. Some people do not. Oh, it's a strainer for this. That's what I meant. I thought it was, I'm guessing it already strains well the pulp in here to begin with. Got my cord, cleaning brush. I am going to wash these pieces, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to juice celery juice. I just washed the juicer, and I want to show you how I'm putting it back together, just snapping the strainer in there, putting the auger, just kind of placing it in, and there's little grooves in there where you can just kind of plop it in there And then, oh my gosh, it's so different. And then you just kind of twist it. And voila. And I wanted to show you the size comparison of the J2. So the J2 and the J3. Definitely a good difference in size. I am doing one large bunch of celery. So about a 16-ounce juice I'm gonna make. It's really quiet. Since I am just making one juice for me, I'm gonna use a glass jar right underneath it. And this jar is also one of Nama's jars. It's a 17-ounce jar. And yeah, fits perfectly underneath their juicers. Okay, I'm gonna stop it and reload. I'm just gonna let it out. Juicing never gets old. I still get excited every day to drink a fresh juice. I'm going to, it's not fully done, it's almost done, but I'm gonna do something else instead of stare at the juicer. That's one nice thing about this juicer, you can just load and walk away. So I'm going to load and walk away. A little bit left. Okay. That's it. Big fan. If you have any questions about this juicer, although this is my first time using it, yeah, it's really easy. As you can see, you just pop it on, and yeah, I'm excited to use it for travel. I will definitely be using my J2 personally more often at home just because I juice a lot, and there's two of us. It's myself and my husband, and I have the counter space here. But if I had a smaller kitchen or college dorm, European kitchen, travel is what I'm using it for. It's definitely an amazing juicer. So cheers to our health and juicing. I'm actually making another juice for my husband right now, and I wanted to mention the separate strainer. If you like your juice more strained, I personally do, they have a separate accessory strainer, and I have it for my J2 set. It just goes like right in here. That strainer fits right in here perfectly as well. So I just wanted to mention that. So if you do like an extra strain juice, it does fit nicely in there as well. And it just double strains it. It wasn't a ton of pulp when I drank my juice, but I like it a little more strained. So this definitely does the trick. And I do have a coupon code for all. I will put it below with a link below. It definitely saves a chunk off this juicer, and it saves 10% off all the accessories and whatnot.